Imagine opening the lid of a laptop and instantly unleashing a level of computing power so devastatingly absolute that it makes high-end desktop workstations and massive, power-hungry server racks look like toys. For the last few years, the tech industry fell into a completely predictable, lazy rhythm. Laptops got a few percentage points faster, designs stayed virtually identical, and users simply accepted the universal rule that if you wanted to do truly heavy work, rendering complex 3D environments, training massive data models, or editing multiple streams of uncompressed 8K video, you had to be chained to a desk, plugged into a wall, tolerating loud fans and a massive electricity bill. We accepted the illusion that portable power had reached its physical limit. But inside the highly classified engineering bays of Cupertino, Apple was quietly preparing a complete and total execution of the traditional computer market. They threw away the conventional limitations of mobile physics to build an absolute weapon of pure computational dominance. The global tech community is currently in a state of absolute shock. Supply chains are fracturing under the weight of historic demand, and the data paints a terrifyingly precise picture. The MacBook Pro M6 Max is here, and it is completely obliterating the rules of portable hardware. If you think you've seen the pinnacle of laptop performance, prepare to have your entire reality shattered. Let's face the brutal truth about the modern professional landscape. The demands of creators, developers, and engineers have skyrocketed to unprecedented heights. Audiences no longer tolerate long render times, soft details, or delayed code compilation. Whether you are cutting a feature film on a location shoot, compiling millions of lines of code on a flight across the Atlantic, or training a highly sophisticated machine learning network from a coffee shop, your machine cannot afford a single millisecond of hesitation. Apple looked at this high-stakes environment and delivered a masterclass in aggressive, uncompromised engineering. The MacBook Pro M6 Max represents a definitive declaration of absolute market dominance. It is a sleek black titanium vault that houses a level of processing power that defies comprehension, proving once and for all that desktop-class supremacy no longer requires a desktop. The psychological shockwave hits you the exact microsecond you wake the machine up and look at the display. This isn't just a screen, it is an absolute visual masterpiece. Apple has introduced a revolutionary, next-generation display matrix that pushes brightness, contrast, and fluid responsiveness into an entirely new dimension. We are talking about ink blacks that completely blend into the bezels and searing highlights that make images leap off the panel with blinding, photorealistic realism. The fluid responsiveness is so blindingly fast, running at a buttery smooth refresh rate that completely eliminates ghosting and input lag, that it feels like the device is anticipating your inputs before your fingers even press the keys. Whether you are tracking minute color grades across thousands of pixels, scrolling through endless dense timelines, or interacting with highly detailed 3D assets, the visual clarity is deeply addictive. Once your eyes adjust to this level of pristine perfection, looking at any other standard laptop or monitor on Earth feels like stepping backward into the Stone Age. But a breathtaking visual canvas is completely useless without a nuclear reactor of a processing engine underneath to back it up. To power this massive leap forward, Apple dropped a microscopic